This lovely Plainsboro kitchen was originally done in 2012. Unfortunately, a flood precipitated this kitchen remodel. It actually was a leak in the water lines. Beco's president, Tim Pesh, worked with the insurance company and the homeowners to ensure that the entire cost of the kitchen remodel was covered. Medallion cabinets were used in 2 different stains. A gorgeous rainforest granite countertop completes the kitchen's look. And here you can see the decorative backsplash behind the range. This home was put on the market recently and went under contract in 2 days. The realtor felt that the kitchen remodel by Beco was one of the main reasons for the quick sale.